Welcome to Excel Highway, your one-stop shop for all your Excel needs. Today I want to share with you a simple VBA code that can help you automate some of your work, and especially it's going to help you whenever you build something for someone and want to make sure that they don't need to remember to do things. So I started using this for files that I created for customers, that instead of having them refresh and click on buttons, I wanted to do that for them and make sure it's automatic so there's no confusion and disappointment. So usually I'm just using one of my files here, and I'm showing you there's a table over here with a lot of data. Okay, and also a table over here, and we have a lot of pivot tables attached to those tables and a nice dashboard with some charts and slicers and everything. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that when I change something here in the table, it automatically updates here in the pivot tables, and you can see it in the slicers. Now normally what you had to do is that you would have to go and click on data and refresh all, and that would update everything, which is great. But sometimes people, they forget, they don't want to do it, they want you to take care of everything. So I've just added a simple code in VBA. You right click on the sheet, click on view code, and you need to write these three sentences, and that's how you do it. Private sub worksheet deactivate, which basically means that this code runs whenever you exit the sheet. And the code is ActiveWorkbook.RefreshAll. This will update all the pivot tables, also all the queries that you have. So it may do more than you want. If you want to only update pivot tables, it's a bit more complicated. We can do that with some looping and everything, but this should work for the majority of what you need. And that's all you need to do. Enable, of course, the file to be VBA, and that's all you need to do. And I'll show you an example. I'll go ahead and delete Chicago and add Dallas as a city, which we didn't have before. And you'll see now I'll jump to the dashboard, and you saw the screen changed a bit. And now you see I have Dallas as an option, and I don't have Chicago. So that's it. All you have to do is right click on the sheet, view code, take these three lines, paste them over here, save, make sure it's a macro enabled file, which is this extension, XLSM, or Excel macro enabled file, and you are good to go. Hope you enjoyed this small but effective tip. Have a great day. Take care.